Hi everyone. Today our question type is matching sentence ending. This is one of the question types in IELTS reading. Let's discuss the strategy to solve this question type. Always read the text very quickly to get the main idea of the paragraph. This thing will help you to locate the answer. As you know that we have to read the instructions very carefully. Accordingly we have to write our answer. Look at the beginning of the sentence. Underline keywords. Noun is there, number is there, modal is there. These words will help you to locate your answer. Then look at the endings for an easy answers first. Starting with this sentence, find the place in the text where it is mentioned. Read that particular sentence very carefully because you will get your answer over there only. If more than one possible answer is there, then chalk out the synonyms, similar words for that. Your answer must be grammatically correct. And remember one thing, always write your answers directly onto your answer sheet as there is no extra transfer time. Take an example now. Just have a look at the information. Now you have a question. Strawberries may help too. And list of endings are here. You have to select the appropriate ending for this question. Okay, what is the question now? Strawberries may help too. Now locate this word strawberries first of all. See, strawberries is written in the first sentence. नेक्स्ट दे आर सिंग मे हेल्प टू. मे क्या है यहाँ पे? मोडाल है. ठीक है, पॉसिबिलिटी है कि वो शायद हेल्प करेगी. किस चीज़ में? दैट यू हैव टू टेल. देखो क्या लिखा है? स्ट्रॉबेरीज एंड अदर फ्रूट मे हेल्प प्रिवेंट कॉग्निटिव डिक्लाइन, न्यू रिसर्च शोज. द फाइंडिंग्स मे हेल्प प्रिवेंट Alzheimer's and other neurodegenerative diseases associated with aging. Right? Findings may help. Again, possibility is there. The question was also that may help. May help what? You have to tell. What is written? They may help prevent that particular disease associated with what? Associated with aging. Right? नाउ कम टू दी ऑप्शंस. देखो सबसे पहले हमने क्या किया? कीवर्ड को लोकेट किया. कीवर्ड हमारा क्या था यहाँ पे? स्ट्रॉबेरीज. स्ट्रॉबेरीज मुझे मिला फर्स्ट सेंटेंस में. उसके बाद मैंने स्टेटमेंट जज की. व्हाट आई हैव टू फाइंड एग्जैक्टली. क्या ढूंढना था मुझे? मे हेल्प टू. चांसेस देखने थे, पॉसिबिलिटी देखनी थी. हेल्प टू व्हाट? मे मुझे मिला, उसमें बताया हेल्प प्रिवेंट कॉग्निटिव डिक्लाइन. फाइंडिंग्स ने क्या बताया है कि ये जो पर्टिकुलर डिजीज़ है ना, ये किससे रिलेटेड है? एजिंग से रिलेटेड है, जिससे हमें ये बचाता है. अब ऑप्शंस पे आओ. फर्स्ट ऑप्शन देखो क्या है? ओवर द एज ऑफ 60. दिस ऑप्शन इज रॉन्ग. मे बी डिस्क्राइब्ड एज अ न्यू सुपर फूड. दे आर नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस वन. नेक्स्ट ऑप्शन इज swelling of an organ. They are not talking about this one also. In D option, what is written? Increasing problem around the world. Again, they are not talking about that particular problem. Disease word is there, लेकिन उसने ये नहीं बोला कि एक कोई particular problem है जो पूरे world में है. Next में उसने क्या बताया? Has been studied for over 10 years. It is not stated. Then they are saying more testing should be carried out to find out the benefits of piston. Again, it is not mentioned. Next, prediction is there. Nothing is predicted. H ऑप्शन में देखो क्या बोला है. कहते हैं क्योर डिजीजेस सफर्ड बाय द एल्डर. क्योर ठीक करेगा, प्रिवेंट दिया है वहाँ क्वेश्चन में, देखो क्योर लिखा है, वहाँ प्रिवेंट दिया। डिजीजेस की बात करी, सफर्ड बाय द एल्डर, अब सफर्ड बाय द एल्डर दिया इन्होंने, उधर क्या बताया था, विद एजिंग, सो एच इज आर आंसर। Just have a look at the explanation also. Again I am repeating what is there. Paraphrase is there in the very first sentence, right? Then they are talking about what? Diseases associated with aging. Help to prevent diseases associated with aging. So our answer is option number H. I hope this question type is clear to you. We will practice more in my next video. Thank you.